Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to keep files in OneDrive only but not on your computer to clear disk space and back up to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will give you quick access to all your files and folders stored on your computer. Once File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see a navigation panel with various folders and locations. Look for your OneDrive folder in this menu and click on it to access your synced files. This folder contains all the files you've uploaded to OneDrive that are currently stored both in the cloud and locally on your computer. Now, here's where the magic happens. To keep your files in OneDrive while clearing up disk space on your computer, you need to locate the specific file you want to remove from local storage. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that file. From the list of options that appears, look for and click on Free Up Space. This is the key feature that allows you to remove the file from your computer's hard drive while keeping it safely stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. When you select this option, the file will no longer take up physical space on your computer, but you'll still be able to access it anytime through OneDrive. The file will appear with a cloud icon next to it, indicating it's stored online only, and will download when you need to open it. This method is perfect when you're running low on disk space but don't want to permanently delete important files. You get the best of both worlds. Your files remain backed up and accessible in OneDrive, while your computer's storage stays free for other uses. And that's it. You've successfully freed up disk space on your computer while keeping your files safely backed up in OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.